Hi, my name is Adam, and I own a party rental company. I mostly deal with tents, tables and chairs, dishes, restroom trailers, the big stuff. I don't really do bounce houses, so if you came here for bounce houses, still stay because a lot of what I'm going to talk about overlaps. Actually, pretty much all overlaps. On YouTube, you can find me as the Tent Guy. On TikTok, you can find me as Real World Side Hustles. I also made a course on how to start one of these businesses. All those links are down below. But today, I'm here on my friend's channel, Party Rental Knowledge, trying to help people out, give them some info. And what I want to talk about is what business we are really in. Now, a lot of people would say that we are in the party business, the event business, whether you're doing what I do or you're doing bounce houses. But in reality, that's not what we do on a day-to-day basis. Yes, we have the stuff that makes the party happen, but we are not in the party business. We are in the material handling and logistics business. You need to think of yourself as a material handling company and put money towards equipment that helps you handle materials and install your bounce houses, your tents, whatever it is. Once you have the mind shift of we're not an event company, that's the end result of what we do. But what we do is material handling and logistics. Once you have that mind shift, then you can start earning a lot of profit because you're gonna focus on things to make yourself more efficient. You have two choices to make more money. You can buy way more stuff and bust your ass, work longer hours, and make more money because you have just more things, but you're out there forever. Or you can focus on efficiency and get what you're currently doing done faster and cheaper. And that's gonna allow you to take more profit home and not make yourself go crazy busting your ass out there. I like the second option better. Let me earn more money from what I'm already doing. So some of the things that are going to help you just go faster are really good hand carts. Like this is the hand cart that I use. It's got 4 wheels. It holds its own weight. It can carry a big ass tent or a bounce house easily through someone's yard. You can then upgrade to a motorized one if you want and make life just even easier. These dollies right here allow you to transport everything through your warehouse and onto your truck or trailer, whatever you're using. This is the only thing that might be different. For tents, you're installing giant stakes, lots of them. So we get jackhammers and we get stake pullers to help us put in and take out just way faster. I personally use trucks with lift gates so that I can just roll things in and out from my warehouse straight onto the truck, making stuff go faster. Then when we get to the job site, we can lift gate the stuff down and bring it to where it's got to go. I know a lot of this equipment is expensive and it's like, why don't I just buy another bounce house? Why don't I just buy another tent and just make more money? Well, you can do that, but again, you're gonna bust your ass. If you buy this stuff, it pays itself off really quick. A jackhammer can save me 20 minutes to an hour any given day, depending on the size of our day. One of my jackhammers was $1,000. I pay on average somewhere between $18 to $25 an hour, and that's including workers' comp, social security, insurance on top of those wages. So if I'm saving an hour every day, it's about 24 days of use and that thing is paid off. And then after that, it's just saving me time, making me more profit. Being more efficient either allows me to get more done in the day or go home earlier. Either way, that is making me more profit. And having these tools keeps my guys fresh, keeps them from getting tired. We used to have to install 60 stakes by hand. It would take 3 guys an hour. And then after that, we would all have to rest. Now it takes 1 guy, 15 minutes, 2 guys are still doing something. And at the end of that, the guy who was using the jackhammer, he doesn't need to rest. He can continue on working. And by the end of the day, no one's beat, no one's tired, and the next day everyone comes in and we can still produce the same amount of work. So if you focus on the material handling side of the business, you're going to make more profit, and more profit is better than busting your ass just trying to get more revenue. Yes, it's expensive to get this stuff, but it is 100% worth it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you join Party Rental Knowledge Group. If you got more questions on party rental business, again, my YouTube page on this business is called The Tent Guy. And again, all that's listed below. Thanks.